In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and tap on Display. Following that, scroll down again. Click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher next to use one-handed mode in order to activate it. Then make sure that pull screen into reach option is selected. Now you can finally follow all of those instructions to use one-handed mode. So double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can go back by tapping on this area or simply swiping up. You can also go into the same settings, scroll down, click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut, hit OK in the pop-up, and then use one-handed mode by tapping on the shortcut. You can even move your shortcut around. In order to disable it, click on the same switcher next to shortcut feature. You can also disable one-handed mode completely by clicking on this switcher next to it. If you want to, you can always go into Tab menu, look for one-handed mode shortcut over here, and click on it. This way you can enable or disable this option from Tab menu. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!